gotta be honest with you, regeneration of an SVL, it sounds extremely complicated.
So it's really not, Matt. So regeneration, or regen as I like to call it, is a very simple process that the machine does automatically.
Okay, sounds easy enough. Hey everybody, I'm Matt. That's my friend Taylor, who's having a superb hair day and is also gonna give us tons of information about regeneration, what it is, why it happens, and what an operator should expect. So let's start with the basics.
All right, Matt, let's do it. So in most cases, like I said, this is an automatic process that the machine does on its own. And it's performing this process because as the machine is operated, it is accumulating particulate matter in the exhaust system.
So it's basically cleaning itself while it runs?
You're exactly right.
Okay, so how do I know when it's happening?
So like I said, in most cases, when it is occurring, there will be an indicator that pops up on the dash that says DPF regeneration in progress.
Okay, so that one indicator is all I need to look for.
In most cases.
What do you mean in most cases?
So there are some instances where the exhaust system itself is not up to temperature, so where their DPF regeneration can occur. So in those cases, it will pop up an indicator that says raise engine RPM. And then at that point, that's all you need to do is raise engine RPM.
So essentially, it's just about making sure that the system gets hot enough to do its job.
Yep, you're exactly right, Matt. That's what makes the regeneration process run smoothly.
Okay, what if it starts at a really inconvenient time? Can we delay this process at all?
That's a great question, Matt. So there actually is a button inside the cab called the inhibit switch that will prevent the regeneration from occurring.
How often can I use it?
So we do want to limit the use of this button as it can cause damage over time to the DPF system, which will then lead us to needing it to be serviced by our local Kubota dealer.
So it really is about just staying out of the way and letting the machine do its job.
You're exactly right. But there are instances where we will need to use it, and that is when we're in a closed environment or like indoors, or we're near anything that we don't want getting too hot.
Okay, what other tips do you have for us?
Keep your air filter clean. So we talked about this in another video, but a dirty air filter can increase the regen intervals on your machine.
Okay, so how often does regeneration actually occur?
That's a great question. So it definitely varies on operating conditions, but as I mentioned earlier, air filters or improper maintenance can increase these intervals.
You know what I love about this thing is constantly working in the background to make sure it works efficiently.
You're exactly right.
Well, if you have any more questions, make sure you consult your local Kubota dealer.